In this video, I'll be swapping the battery out on my Mazda 3 key fob. The first thing you need to do is take something like a small flathead and push down on this little plastic latch. You can see it sticking up, and you need to separate the key portion from the fob portion. So I press down on the metal latch and the key comes out. And I'll show you the piece that you are pushing down on so you get a better view of it. So it's right there. That's the little thing that has to get pushed down so that your key can slide out of the key fob. Now what I'm going to do is put the flathead in this little slot in the key, and then I'm just going to turn the flathead screwdriver either direction just to separate the two pieces from each other. Now that the edge is separated, you can just use your hands and separate it the rest of the way. Put the little circuit board down, and now all you need to do is pry this little battery out, and you're halfway done. It just pops out, and it is a CR1620 3-volt battery. Now if you're unfortunate like me and the key ring piece also popped off when you separated things, it just slides back into position. A little bit finicky, but not too difficult. So now the word side is going to go down, or the positive side, and it just clips back into place. The part with the buttons and circuit board then go straight back in and clip into place. And the last thing you got to do is slide that key right back into the key fob. And you are done. Close the key, test the buttons, make sure it all works. Anyway, like I said, pretty fast video. Thanks for checking it out. Don't forget to like and subscribe.